Molweni, ndanamkela kuMamgobhozi TV. Hey bethunani, niyayazi ke uba bekho kwavakala iindaba zokuba uMahla Entabeni from i-reality TV show ebizwa ngoba Umndeni uswelekile, kusithiwa ke uthathe ubomi bakhe. Naw ifemeli yakhe ke iye yakhontakthwa nguSunday World, bayikonfirma loo nto leyo nakuSunday World uba hayi uswelekile. Jiki yaphinde yabuya ifemeli isithi hayi uyaphila uMahla Entabeni, akaswelekanga, nto nayo bethathe ipilisi ezama uzibulala, kodwa ke ngoku use-ICU. Khandiphinde ndenze enye ividiyo elandelayo ngoba ndiqonda uba sendifuna ke bandide ndimbone uba uyaphila nyhani na, ngoba kaloku bekutshiwo kwathi uswelekile ifemeli yakhonfirma, ngoku yaphinda ithi uyaphila but ke asikamboni. So ke uye wayenza ividiyo wayifaka kuTikTok bethunani ezithethela indeed uyaphila akaswelekanga. Nanku ke uMahla Entabeni khanizivele uba uthini malunga neendaba zoba kuthiwe uswelekile kwaye ebezama uthatha ubomi bakhe.
Ngiyanibingelela lonke Mzansi wase-South Africa. Ngiyenza le video because of ngifuna ukuxolisa. Ukufuna ukuthatha impilo yami, angikaze ngizicabanga, ngeke sengicabangela abantwana bami. Ngibe selfish. Ngicela ukuthi ngixolele kuko konke lokho Mzansi. Nami angizenzanga. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok. Even though abantu bebakhomenta ngendlela bakhomenta ngayo, bengingabuza ubuhlungu by that time. But ngigcine sengibona ukuthi this thing le ibuhlungu. Angikhonanga ukucontrol imizwa yami. Angikwazanga ukucabangela abantwana bami, ngaba selfish. Kuko konke lokho bekungizwisa ubuhlungu. But ngibonga uNkulunkulu wami engimkhonzayo nabezimu basekhaya ukuthi bangikhusele ngibe namandla ukuthi ngikhona ukudlula kulesi simo. Njengoba benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok guys, bengasinto yokudlala lento bengiyenza. Bengifuna usizo ngendlela engibona ukuthi ngalithola ngakhona, but still angikaze ngilithole. I cannot go on social media ngikhuluma izinto ukuthi azikho, ukuthi ziyangidla and zibuhlungu. Guys, ngibasebenzela abantu beMoja Love and mina besides nginabantwana. Nginomama ekumele ngabe ngiyamondla. Njengabo abantu engisebenza nabo kuMoja Love, fana noDabula noMaseko. Abantu abafana nami kuleyo show, ama-main character. Njengoba baclaima kuma-social media ukuthi bona ba-happy, ba-right, baholile, abanankinga neMoja Love. Mina guys, ngiqinisile nginayo inkinga neMoja Love. Abantu laba angibayenzanga nice guys, ngibasebenzela and ngabasebenzela clean. Ngaphandle kwento eziningi mhlampe ezingenza ukuthi ekugcineni bangiphathe ngale ndlela bangiphathe ngayo. So they failed to pay me imali yami. And ngisebenzile. The reason why bangafuni ukungibhadala angazi. The worst thing abafuna ucommunicate nami, ba-communicate nomama wami kule simo lesi. I don't know why. Bengizwa bakhuluma nomama wami, but it's because of mina ngiye ku-social media. I went to social media because of nginenyanga ngicommunicate nabo since October, bangangiphenduli, bangiblock. Azange bafuna ukukhuluma nami. Nginama-record enginawo efonini yomngane wami oseMamelodi uTears. Beza kimi bangitshela ukuthi this thing lena singayilungisa. I come back at home. Babatshela ukuthi ngifikile ekhaya, abakasebenze ekhaya yithi. Ekugcineni bagcine bangibhula bangitshela the way ekhaya sihlupheke ngakhona. That is why ngihlanya ngiye kuma-social media ngifuna imali yami. I have to ukuthi ngiyilwele imali yami to the extent that bangisebenzise ngale ndlela ukuthi wherever that I shoot mina ngami it's a reality. Impilo yami, unlike ama-content wabanye abantu abawafeyikayo. Eyami mina impilo bengi-expose for real for them to earn money in a company, but ekugcineni ke kwenzakalani? Abafuna ukungibhadala imali yami guys. Mina nginabantwana abayi-3 and I'm a single parent. Abantwana bami ngiyazondlela bona. Akekho omunye umuntu ongisizayo. Abantwana bami they went to Christmas bangana-next, banganakudla, banganayimpahla. Manje I have to ukuthi bayo-register esikolweni. Anginamali yokuthi bathenge even i-uniform, but mina I've worked hard for the company. Then now I receive nothing from them and no reason ukuthi why they do that to me. I went to many broadcasters ukuthi bangisize, bangitshela ukuthi they are fully booked, bona ngeke bakhona ukungisiza. Some of them you can see ukuthi babablockile. So guys, abantu laba bangibhule too much elifini. Bangibhule too much elifini and bangiphendule umuntu engasi uyena. Like inhliziyo yami ayiseseyihle. Izinto engizicabangayo azikho right. Kusho ukuthi abacabangeli nabantwana bami, abacabangeli imizwa yami. uDabula noMaseko anginandaba nabo because labo ba very cheap. Labo ngabathenga ukuthi bathathe impilo yomunye umuntu. Labo ngabathenga ukuthi bayenze nanoma yini, especially mawukhuluma ngemali. So mina my useless thing ukuthi azange ngivume ngami because ngibona ukuthi this thing le ukuthi ngibasebenzele, but I don't get nothing. Ifuture yami isamile. I didn't choose that. That is why ngila ngikhona manje. So mina please ngicela abantu laba bangibhadale imali yami. so that I do my things.
Nyamva ke bethunani uthini uMahlala Entabeni usaqhubekeka ubeka ityala kuMoja Love uba ngabo aba bamfake kulaa kona abe kuye ade acinge nangothatha ubomi bakhe. Uyatsho ke uba usayifuna imali yakhe and uMoja Love wambhlokha kudala ethetha nabo since October. Instead ngoku bathetha nomamakhe abakamniki imali yakhe. As a result uthi ke abantwana bakhe baye ababinanto for Christmas nabantwana abathathu, so inoba ke waphele ethatha esi sigqibo soba ngcono ke afe. Now uMoja Love ke bethunani ubhale istatement of which ke uMahlala Entabeni uye wabhala itext phezu kweso statement sikaMoja Love enomsindo kule nto bayithethayo. Into endibonayo ke kwesi statement babeka ngathi uMahlala Entabeni ungumntu ongabhadlanga apha entloko. Bathi ke Moja Love unequivocally condemns the misinformation, distortion and malicious behavior by Mahlala Entabeni, Bishop Julius Moloi and Mxolisi Arthur Kubeka, better known as Izinja. For a considerable period, the channel has exercised restraint and chosen not to engage publicly despite persistent provocation. However, the continued spread of misinformation, threats against staff and reckless allegations leave the channel with no option but to respond. The false news amkuzibulala kuka Mahlala Entabeni, cast of Umndeni Maseko, is deeply concerning and raises concerns about her mental well-being and credibility. It is deeply irresponsible and profoundly unjust for individuals who are clearly grappling with personal challenges to implicate the company, which has absolutely no involvement in her personal circumstances. In a so-called La Note Baleuba as Uyazbulala that was circulating on social media, the channel has reached out to her husband Umaseko to see if we can offer her assistance in committing her to a mental institution and full pay for the treatment. Now abatsho ke bathethe nefamily yakhe okanye bathethe naye directly because bayazi uba ingathi azisekho right izinto between yena noMaseko. Andiyazi uba kutheni ke bethetha noMaseko, but anyways mandiqhubeke. As a channel, we will not tolerate that behavior as we are the champion of the poor and those who are seeking justice. On the issue of Bishop Moloi, the channel rejects the false narrative being aggressively promoted by him. The channel received serious and disturbing complaints from his church members, and because of their sensitive nature, we cannot make them public. As a result, the channel had to release him with immediate effect. His ongoing fixation on the channel appears driven by bitterness and resentment rather than fact. The channel has remained silent for far too long in the face of sustained attacks. The channel will vigorously defend its reputation, its people, and its values. And wabhala ke itext uMahlala Entabeni phezu kwesi statement esithi, that's not true, nothing but lies. Did you call me and sit down with me? Nothing, because of selfishness and heartless. Hey, bethuna into endiqapheleyo mna uMoja Love akho nto ayithethayo malunga nento yemali, because yonke le nto yenzekayo okanye yenzekileyo kuba esithi uMahlala Entabeni akhange bambhatale imali yakhe. So andiboni nesentence eyi-1 okanye negama elinye kubo elithi nale nto yemali athetha ngayo asiyazi ngoba thina sambhatala yonke imali esimtyala yona according to i-contract yethu kunye naye. Abamenshini nix, bathetha ngoJulius, ngoPastor nantoni, bathi nento yoba ngakho right apha engqondweni, but abathethi ngento yoba abamtyali imali. So loo nto leyo ke indenza ndibe suspicious kakhulu uba hey uMoja Love ingathi khona into engaqondakaliyo, kuba ke kutheni bengayi-address because main issue into yongabhataleki kwakhe sede nje azame uthatha ubomi bakhe. But anyways khandikhe ukuba nicinga ntoni ngale video. Mamgobhozi uyanibona kwivideo elandelayo. Bye.